Hello guys, welcome to my channel today, and we'll be making this very short. I'll be making this video very short, so listen and listen good. Okay, today I'll be sharing with you how you can get a free proxy, free working proxy. The network is very fast. All you can do is free. All you need to do is just connect, watch the video, and remember to subscribe. So let's begin. The name of this is, first we go to our browser and you search web share. Maybe some of you have heard this, some of you haven't heard this. So just go sign up on the website. This is actually working. Okay, no, most of you are looking for a free proxy to use rather than the paid ones, which are really very hard to come by, and some of the proxies that you can even pay for are very hard. Let's see. I want to use my email to sign up, so I'm just going to use this one because I have about 3 emails which I use, so I'm going to use this one to sign up. Let's just use a, this is just for recording sake, so let's write free proxy as the password. Okay, sign up, and you just wait for it to load. Okay, as you can see, our email already exists. Yeah, I created an account on this before, so let's just use this. Then wait for it to load. As you can see, creating your proxy list. The sweet thing about this, if you don't know guys, now let me explain to you. When you register on this site, they will give you 10 free proxy to use. 10, and it's not everlasting, it's per month. So you just use the 10 free proxy in different countries. There's Germany, there's USA, there's United States. I'm just going to show you right now. So let's get started. Look at it. Here it is. Okay. Now read the caption here. It says 10 free proxy available. So here they are. I mean, as you can see here, all of them working. We have Japan, United States, United Kingdom, Spain, Poland. As you can see, all of them are working. I've tested it out, so I know they are all working. Just check it for yourself. So all you need to do now is just easy. For you to use this proxy, in case you don't know how to use a proxy, I'll be dropping a video soon on how you can use it, but most of you already know how to use it. For iPhone users, you need to download potatoes. I don't really know the full spelling, but it's something like that. So, and for Android users, you can use Super Proxy. The app is right here. Okay, I'm using an Android, so it will be much easier for me to show you quick. You have to go to your Play Store, search for Super Proxy. This is the app. You can download it and put all the details for you to start using your proxy, but don't worry about it. I don't want this video to be long, so I'm just going to make it short. I'll be dropping a video soon on how you can set up your proxy when you want to use it. So just remember to like and subscribe if this video was helpful to you.